Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the mini album I made using the Country Craft Creations paper collection that's called Under the Stars. This is a beautiful collection. I've done a little walkthrough that you can find on my channel, and this is a 7x7 mini album, and it has a 2-inch spine on it. I made the pages where you could put in your photos either horizontally or vertically. I wanted to use this gorgeous paper on the front inside cover, so I just left that plain so that I could make sure to enjoy that. Then I have here a little pocket that I've made here on the front, and I made this a flap so you could put some tags in there. This is a pull-out page, so I can put a photo mat in here, and then this is going to flip, and you have one of the ephemera pieces, the cut aparts here. This is another page that has a pull-out tag, so a good size tag there. Then flip this over, and on the back side you have a little pocket flap from the top, and this is a little booklet there. This flips up, and you can see more of that beautiful paper collection there. Just used a little bit of paper piecing here. Then over here is another one of the ephemera pieces. That flips over this way, and then you have another little spot for more tags here to go into this side little tuck spot, and this is also a flap. So it is a beautiful collection. All 3 pages are the same, so I'll just quickly do a run through here of the next papers. See this one, more ephemera pieces, another one of those pull-outs. You have another one of the booklets here. Isn't that pretty? This opens up also. Flip the page there. Another little tuck spot here. Got that green gingham. Another little flip page. Just like that. Some more paper piecing. A s'mores page. Another little booklet there, doing your s'mores. It says adventure awaits. Flip it up. More photo spots here. Another little tuck spot. Look how cute that is. Okay, it flips up. It opens this way. Opens that way. Lots of space for photos. And then on the back side, I went ahead and put a double pocket, and these are some of the 4x6 cut aparts from the paper collection. So those can tuck in just like that, or it can tuck in that way. Fits both. And that's the back side. And now I just need to make some dangles for it. Until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoy this paper collection. Go ahead and visit countrycraftcreations.com for this paper collection and many, many more. I look forward to seeing you back here soon. Until next time, everyone, happy crafting you all. Bye.